Get a large microwave safe bowl and melt 2 tablespoons of butter. Then add 1 can or 295 grams of sweetened condensed milk. Add 1 3/4 cups of milk powder and 2 teaspoons of cardamom. Now just mix this together until it's well combined. Now just pop this in the microwave for 1 minute on high. Then remove it, give it a stir, microwave again for another minute, then remove it and stir, and then put it in for another minute, remove it and stir. So we just do that 3 times for a total of 3 minutes. Now this is after the 3rd minute. Just give it a nice stir. Now just leave this to cool until it's just cool enough so it's easy to handle, and we're going to roll them into balls. Now we just get the mixture rolled into balls. It's still warm. You want to wait until it's cold. You just want it cool enough so it's easy to handle. You don't want to burn yourself. Well, some people do. Some people are into that.
Simple